My Car by P.D. Pulu. Hi, I am Katie. I am 7 years old and I have a car. It is lovely and long car. Papa made it for my birthday. I love my car and I love to ride it all day long. Vroom! Here I go. Vroom! There I go. Vroom! I got everywhere. I visit my relatives driving my car. And it's cool. My friends want my car. I love my grandma. And she loves to see my drive. With my car, I can go around and around my house. With my car, I can go around the earth. I can go around the sun, the moon, and the stars. My little brother loves riding my car. My mother tells us not to do so. Put to wear car? No. Oh no! Crash! No, here I am without my car, and my brother without his tooth. But we still go room with my brother on my back.